Welcome to day 17 of Junk Journal July for 2024. This is an open collaboration hosted by Meg from Meg Journals, and she's collaborating with Get Messy Art. The prompt for day 17 is aged. So I've got a couple of things here. Got my little book. I've got a page out of an old novel. I thought I might use that. I've got this lady, and I picked her because she's got that really old character-filled face, and got a little bit of this stuff, which excuse me, is a paper by Kaisercraft, and it's called Antique Bazaar Collection. So I think that's quite nice and aged looking. And a bit of that, which is handmade paper. Got some of that. I'm not sure if I'll use it, but I'm going to firstly glue some of this page down. Yeah, it doesn't matter if everything gets covered up. That's just the way this works when you do one of these. The background is the background. It's not the foreground, it's the background. So if the background gets covered up, well, then it's serving its purpose. And you still see elements of the background where the focal point doesn't cover. So anyway, I'm going to crack on with this, and I hope you enjoy it.
There's something about your eyes, something telling me a story, telling me that all the love we had is fading. There's something about your smile, something telling me a secret, telling me that all the happy days just passed us by. Behind your eyes, there behind your smile, now that we're just standing here, it all seems clear. There's something with your touch, something saying that it's different, telling me I have to let you go and leave you. Behind your eyes, there behind your smile, now that we're just standing here, it all seems very clear. Will I ever learn to love again? Wish you would let me see once again. Let me get there behind your eyes. against the wall, so I can trace you with one fine line. We have become a home that's built of all your poems and mine.